Acha, firstly, would you introduce yourself, Dr. Saab? What's your name?
My name is Dr. Riazul Karim Narejo.
Riazul Karim Narejo. Acha, and where did you acquire your medical education?
With LUMS, 1997.
LUMS, Jamshoro, Liaquat Medical, mashallah. And where have you been working all of this time?
I'm working in OGDCL, Social Welfare Mobile Dispensary.
Acha. So you, mashallah, you have been doing a great job here at our this particular medical relief camp. Can you tell us how many patients have you been seeing on an average daily over the last few weeks since you've been over here?
Daily 200 patients, whole days 2000 almost. Checked.
Until now you have checked about 2000 patients, and daily you've been getting about 200 patients.
200 patients.
What are the typical kinds of diseases that you see over here?
Typical kind of disease, diarrhea, infection of eye, skin disease.
Acha. Have you had any incidents of malaria or dengue fever over here?
Yes, sir. Some cases of malaria.
Not too many. Since we started the fogging over here of with pesticides and fumigation, has that caused an impact on the reduction of malaria in this area?
Relief मिली है नहीं जो सर. उन्हीं.
फागर
जो हले पे हुई, inside हले पे relief.
So it has had a good impact.
I would like to add on what he has said. So basically जो मलेरिया के केसेस हैं, जो मेन प्रॉब्लम है इस एरिया के अंदर बिसाइड डायरिया, उसमें कुछ जगह ऐसी हैं जहाँ पे केसेस बहुत कम है, बहुत लिमिटेड है. इट इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द फैसिलिटी विच वॉज रेंडर्ड टू अस थ्रू पेटारियन फाउंडेशन, which has done a tremendous job here by using that fogger and that hand pump spray. तो उसको इतना एक्सटेंसिव हमने जो यूज़ किया, उससे ये कि जो मेरे अपने एरिया के कुछ लिमिटेड गांव हैं क्लोज बाय जहाँ पे हमने फैसिलिटी रेंडर की है, वहाँ पे मलेरिया के केसेस दे आर ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल, बट सराउंडिंग में इट इज़ वेस्टेड विद दिस मलेरिया केसेस.
Have you considered using this fogger, which we have, the two foggers that we have provided here,
yes, right
and the spray machines to some of the adjacent areas also?
Yeah, right now I have one fogger machine here and one working at Sangal.
So at Mohid's place.
Mohid's village.
Right.
And that surrounding area. So मैं अब तक जो है approximately 2 to 3 kilometers का जो एरिया है वो हमने fogger से कवर किया है, जो हमारे सराउंडिंग के विलेजेस हैं. बट ये उसमें लिमिटेड इसकी कैपेसिटी है, तो इंशाल्लाह जो नेक्स्ट हमारा प्लान है उसके अंदर हम इनको मज़ीद एरिया के अंदर लेके जाएंगे, सराउंडिंग एरिया. सो जो हमारा इंशाल्लाह प्रोग्राम है वो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट गुड अबाउट जो 20 किलोमीटर्स का जो रेडियस अफेक्टेड है उसके अंदर हम इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे इन फ्यू डेज टाइम.
ग्रेट, excellent. Okay, the other question I had was that over these last couple of weeks we've had two teams of doctors that have come here, one with Dr. Aghataj and his team of doctors, and then Dr. Amjad Siraj and his team of doctors that have come. What kind of services did they render, and what was the benefit that we were able to provide through Petain Foundation for your people in this area?
So they have done an excellent job, by providing medical facilities, including medicines, the doctors and the lady doctors. And I was very lucky to have those facilities in the Hope, which everybody around this area have benefited. And the services on daily basis, it was almost 1,000 patients a day, which includes, they actually distributed 3 teams. We had planned on 3 teams. One was working at this site where we are sitting right now. The other was mobile. It was on Jeep and our foundation pickup. And the third facility, the third group, it was on the board, which was again provided by the foundation. So we made use of that board. Serious patients or old ladies or old men which were unable to come to this place, they were provided the facility, medical facility at their doorstep, by this board, and as I said, by Jeep and pickup. And thirdly, So I think they have done a tremendous job in whole of this area, and more than 5 days they worked here. 3 days by Dr. Amjad from Dow, Karachi, and Dr. Aga Taj from LMC Hyderabad. So they were here along with the whole, their staff, including lady doctors. So I think they have done extremely well, and they said they will continue this service for another couple of weeks as long as water stays, because we are, I can, conceive the problem which are going to be manifold in times to come because of the prolonged stagnant water which is likely to be in this area. So we would request, sir, you and our brother doctors and the foundation staff, the services should remain here for prolonged time as long as the water is here.
We will, inshallah, we will do what we can. Obviously, our resources are limited, but within our limited resources, our objective is to, as a Petain Foundation, to provide maximum support in a professional manner. And inshallah, our volunteers and our staff will continue to do this as long as we have the support of our Petarians, inshallah.
So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This will be remembered throughout throughout my life, but the life of the whole people who, it is over 25,000 people who are affected in this area. So alhamdulillah, it is not only ourselves but the whole, surrounding which is being benefited in terms of ration, in terms of boat facility, in terms of fogger facility, and in terms of ration and other, added support.
Right.
Which is being, received from our foundation. We
Thank
are
you.
more than grateful.
Thank you
very much,
Thank
sir.
you.